Label Planet's World of How To presents How to Find Address Labels. At Label Planet, we supply a range of address labels in matte white paper with a permanent adhesive. There are lots of ways to find the address labels you need, including our search bar, to search by product code or search terms. A to Z list, to search for a product range. Label Finder, to search for all of our labels that match your needs. Our website looks slightly different on desktops and mobiles or tablets, but all of our search tools are easy to find. Here's where you can find our search bar, our A to Z list, our label finder. Using our search bar, you can search by a specific product code or use general search terms. Product codes have two parts, a label size, like LP14/99, and a material code, like MPQ. Standard paper labels don't have a material code. Enter your product code or search term. A shortlist of matching products will appear. Select a product from the list, or click on the search button to view a full list of search results. If your search term matches a product range, you will be taken straight to that page. Our A to Z list includes all of our different types of labels, grouped into categories and product ranges. Select the category or range that describes your labels to see all the available options. Click on A4 labels to see all of our label ranges. Our category pages show the material code, description, adhesive, waterproof status, and printer compatibility for each range. For matte white paper address labels, use our Address Labels page. Use our label finder to choose the specifications that matter most and see all of our products that match. You can search by one or multiple filters at a time. So, if you need address labels, you could use the Label Use filter to see all of the options. Select address labels and click on View Results or scroll down to see all of our matching products. How to find other types of labels. Thank you for watching.